In the US, 55% of people invest in the stock market, and in the UK, 33% of people invest in the stock market. But in India, the population is 143 crores, out of which 3 to 4% of people only invest in stock market. Out of this, only 5% of people succeed, and remaining lose their money. It is because lack of knowledge. To become a doctor, we spend close to 5 years studying. Even to become a mason, we do have vocational training courses. But in case of stock market, many of us, without having proper knowledge, invest and incur losses. Cause they don't know how to analyze a company, when to buy a company stock, and they buy blindly based on the calls given by the brokers. Most of the time, they end up in failure. To overcome this problem, we must learn fundamental analysis so that we pick the right company to invest. Now, another question will arise in your mind: where to learn, who will teach us, whether they loot a lot of money as fees for their courses? The answer for those questions are watch Marketsdaily YouTube channel. I will teach you A to Z of fundamental analysis at free of cost. So please subscribe to my channel and click the like button and share it with your friends so that it will motivate me to put on more videos. Today, I will give you an overview of fundamental analysis. There are 3 subdivisions in fundamental analysis. They are economic analysis, industry analysis, and company analysis. Let us see them in brief. Economic analysis is the first step in fundamental analysis. Economy should be studied to determine if overall conditions of our economy is good or bad for stock market. When our economy is in good condition, most of the industries in stock market get benefited. Therefore, stock price will move up. When our economy is in its worst condition, most of the companies will suffer. Therefore, their stock prices will go down. Some of the important economic factors to be checked are GDP, inflation, interest rates, political stability, etc. We will see all these things in detail in our upcoming videos. Now, let us see about industry analysis. Industry analysis means analyzing the profit potential of an industry, amount of competition present in it, and analyze whether the industry is growing, the future opportunities, and future hope for the industry. For example, we know in future electric vehicles will occupy the place of petrol and diesel vehicles. So investing in petrol stocks like BPCL, HPCL just for the sake of dividends could be a bad idea. You should learn to check in which stage the industry you chose belongs to. Normally, there are 5 stages in industry life cycle. They are startup stage, growth stage, consolidation stage, maturity stage, and decline stage. If you invest in declining stage in industries like BPCL, Coal India, etc., it might not be a good idea for a long term. Company analysis is classified into 2 types. They are qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. Qualitative analysis means non-numerical characteristics of a business. Example, analyzing the management of the company, whether it is good or bad. If a company has good management, it will perform well, even in bad situations also. On the other side, if the company's management is not good, then the company will not perform well, even in a bull market. So, we need to check for the background of the promoter, if there is any legal cases pending on the promoter, etc. Quantitative analysis is checking numerical characteristics of a business, that is, checking the financial statements of a company like balance sheet, which includes the assets and liabilities of a company, profit and loss statement, which includes income, expenditure, tax, etc. in a year, cash inflow statement, which includes cash inflow and cash outflow, and financial ratios, etc. Don't worry, I will explain everything in upcoming videos in simple terms that you can easily understand, and you can do fundamental analysis by yourself and buy shares without any hesitation and make profits. To get all our notifications, please click the bell button and put a like so it will motivate us to do more such videos. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Also, please press a like button and share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you.